Jamui is just started in Jamui district under Science and Technology Department, Government of Bihar in 2018. The most senior batch will pass from this institute in June 2022, and there are 4 disciplines. Presently there are 4 disciplines in this institute: civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and ECE, electronics engineering, communication engineering. As per government orders, computer science and engineering will be started with 60 intake from 2020 after the approval from AICT. Our institute has been equipped with modern apparatus and aesthetic furnitures. There are 215 PC I7 100 Mbps lead line, canteen, 2 boys hostels with 400 capacity and 1 girls hostel of 100 capacity. EPIC club for a startup, a sports club run by our students. Institute is associated with NPTEL local chapter, UBA, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, NSS, etc. In this institute, there is a central library which is open up to 7 o'clock. 5 books are given to each student.
Our juniors, upcoming junior, want to know about our principal, sir. So please share your experience with us, sir.
Myself, Dr. Bimal Kumar, having qualification PhD in civil engineering from NIT Patna, and there are about 22-year experience in TST, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Bihar, Patna. Previously, I was worked as a design engineer in Dalal Consulting Engineers Limited at Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
What facilities our upcoming junior will get if they will choose our college?
Of course, they will get good environment at first, good environment, and hostel facility, library facility, and books from library. About 5 books will be given, and I am trying to give Wi-Fi connectivity in the hostel.
Say something about our faculty.
It is about 10 kilometers from the Jamui town and approx 20 kilometers from Jamui stations in Amrat village, and having good communications from the Jamui town to the Amrat Institute. So our institute has a bright, our students having bright future in this institute, and principal is taking care from morning to up to late night. Our students played very well and done in the sports and the university exams. Prize distribution in each year is scheduled on the Engineers Day. We are always taking care for the internship, industrial visit for our students, and most important is the TP cell is running with our students to get campus placement with the government of Bihar and AKU. Okay, thanks.